It's your boy, Pat Artus, from the Quick Fixer Collective. Wanted to introduce you guys to 5 highlight beers that I've had this January of 2023. So what I'm going to do, since I'm hosting this alone, I'm going to show a second screen and walk through a couple of these. Really good, and go and try and find them if you can. Buy them, drink them. We're not going to go in an order, so this is not like a top 5. This is just a 5 you should look for. With the first one, here we go. The first one is the Affogato Ice Cream Pastry Stout from Untitled Art. So this one is really good. It's kind of dark, but at the same time, 11 ABV, really high percent. I was kind of confused about it because it was just so good, and I'm like, what the fuck? Like, why is this so high percent? But it drinks so easy. A lot of people have checked it in on Untapped. It's got a 4.2 average right now, which is really good, especially for something so high up. So yeah, Untitled Art, Affogato Pastry Stout, Ice Cream Pastry Stout. So next up, I had my first Slushy beer, and we're gonna do this. So I tried the Slushy XL Toucan Fruit Punch. It's like, not fruit punch, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna click on this one picture because it was really thick. Yeah, thick. Anyway, that's pretty much what I gotta say about that one. Go and try that one. It's from from 450 North Brewing Company. It's a sour at 5.5 ABV. This one has lime, lemonade, cherry, tangerine, and raspberry in it. Definitely tastes like a fruit punch. So yeah, if you like it, I don't know, man. I don't think I'm about this slushy beer life. It just doesn't, it's not for me, I don't think. But anyways, I'm gonna go to one that is for me. This one was very good. We're talking about Lorenzo the Beer Cat from Fat Orange Cat. This is Fat Orange Cat Brewing Company, 8%. It's a New England hazy. It's got 4.04 check-in average, and it's just, man, fire. If I was to rank these, that's where I'm going. I'm drinking more of these than anything. Next up, I'm gonna show you something. Been going to this brewery every now and then lately. Here it is, right? Yeah. This is the Rhizome collab raspberry jelly donut white stout with Tailgate Brewing. This thing is surprisingly really good. Like, I was like, it's a lactose beer. So I was like, I don't know about it. I don't know what's gonna do in my stomach, whatever. But this thing, man, sip it slow and just enjoy it. And available in their tap room now. And we'll go to this last one. I'm not gonna click away. Ransack the Universe. This is the one I've had the most recent. This one is from Collective Arts, 6.8 ABV. It's got dope art on it. This particular one I'm showing is from Andrew Patterson of Toronto. It's very cool and very tasty. As anybody who kind of follows the shows on Quick Fixer, they probably notice that I tend to skew a certain way with beers. But this one, yeah, Ransack the Universe from Collective Arts and Lorenzo the Beer Cat and Fat Orange Brewing. top two out of these five, I think. The other ones were one of them, there's a couple of I'm gonna try this out kind of situations in there. But yeah, man, go and check these 5 years out if you can. I don't know if we'll do more top five or, you know, roundup videos in the future, but for this one, I was figuring I was trying some interesting stuff you could probably still get your hands on while in January 2023. So go and check those out. Buy them if you can. Shout out to Mount Juliet Beer Company for hooking a couple of these up. Tailgate for always having good beers and everybody else. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Yeah.